Well, in 2021 we lost our son to sudden adult death. He was 26, he was in the army, and he was super fit. So we do a 5k for Mark in his memory every February in Ratwood, and I've never run it. I walked it the first year and I was so slow even walking it that it was decided that I just stay at the finish line and welcome everyone back. So this year for his 5th anniversary I want to run it.
Hey, today is day 26, 28 of the 40-day Health Challenge, and we're about to kick off on the 5k.
Really looking forward to it. We're here to support Rachel.
It wasn't like, look at the amount of people that turned out.
You ready? Yes. Here we go. We'll be okay. Let's find our way back.
I never thought I'd do this. We're on the halfway mark. We're on the home stretch.
Last 500, how are you feeling?
Relieved that I'm nearly there.
Well done, how are you feeling?
Oh my god, half dead.
You've already finished.
Well done, I'll come back for you.
You proud of her?
Huh?
Are you proud of her?
Absolutely. Everyone should be. You know. Unreal what she's achieved.
Oh my god, I'm buzzing. 42 minutes I did it in. I'm absolutely thrilled. And all my cheerleaders, even Alison ran over the line.
It's brilliant, yeah. Over the moon.
Must be thrilled.
Oh, 4 weeks ago did I think I was going to do it?
How did you find the run? Was it tough? What kept you going?
The music and taking the mark. Definitely 100%. So it's a K for every year.
A K for every year. Amazing. And you had so much support out there today. What was it like to see everybody turn out?
Everyone.
All of Mark's friends, lots of Megan's friends, family, your camper van. How does it feel to see everybody out here today supporting you and remembering Mark?
That's what brings us through every year. So, you know, without all the support, we wouldn't be where we are. So it's all amazing.
We're super proud of you, Rachel. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, and with 40-day Health Challenge, I got my stone off. So it helps get over that finish line.